Why use n8n for building web applications? Because of course there is far more powerful technologies, right? I mean, someone was asking, Angular and React. I mean, maybe n8n doesn't allow you to do that, but maybe directly not, right? Maybe you can still build the front end, separately, and inside there is a webhook which communicates with the n8n workflow, right? So you can still do those. But the question is, why use n8n for applications in general? And the simple answer is that you have everything in one place, right? Especially if you're using the online version, which is a paid version. And I think the minimum paid thing is $20 or $25 something. Okay. That is if you go in that route, right? That simplifies things quite a lot. Even if you don't use that online paid thing, right? If you do it locally, everything is still free. You just have to manage things yourself, right? Even that is straightforward, right? For those who know how to do this. So it is a great choice because everything can be contained inside of n8n without really needing to even say install multiple libraries, without having to worry about containerization and so on, right? It's very straightforward, really. So n8n is a great choice because number one, it is a visual builder. I think some people prefer that. It's much easy to see the full logic. It's much easy to debug as well. So n8n is really great in that. Uh, a simple front end is very easy to make. There is forms and stuff where you can have custom HTML and many elements like how you have, right? Like a radio box or a drop down or a text area or an image, so many things, right? So that's really easy to build a simple front end as well. It has excellent integrations. Of course, a lot of integrations, many different say platforms and stuff are easily integrable. Many nodes are there. Um, and we'll see. Also with MCP servers and stuff, it is also very easy to work with the latest thing. n8n generally is frequently updated in the sense that it is again always up to date. So whatever new thing comes, it comes onto n8n rather quickly. So when MCP servers became a thing, n8n was one of the first platforms to allow you to use MCP servers, right? So n8n is really valuable in that way. Also, there are various deployment options, meaning that we'll discuss this specifically this point. You can have it on your machine. You could have it on n8n Cloud, which is a paid version. You can have it on your own, let's say private server at a much lower cost of let's say $4 or $5 per month, or maybe lower. If you want like full flexibility and full control, full monitoring and everything, you could use it on AWS, Google Cloud, or wherever, right? You can deploy it wherever. So there's a lot of deployment options over here, right? And if you're using the n8n Cloud version, if you're an organization or even if you have invested in this, if you want to do this professionally, I would really recommend going for an n8n Cloud version because it really simplifies your testing, simplifies sharing things, giving it over to clients and stuff. It's really very easy with n8n Cloud, right? So n8n is general is a great choice, and we'll see visual builder for systems where you can have AI features. You can have non-AI features, AI features, but you can visually just drag and drop and connect things so that you have a functioning system. You can automate things as much as possible. And really, you can do practically anything with these systems now.